Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is enable a notification in Temu guide. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle, or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. And guys, remember that the $100 coupon code bundle and 30% discount is only for Temu new users. So now with that said, once you are on Temu guys, you simply go to orders and account over here. And now a drop down will show up, and just simply click on your name and your profile over here. And now from here on the left side, you should be able to see here notifications. So click on it. And from here, you will have a lot of options about notification. So you will have promotions, order update, and chat messages, your recommendation, and the others as well. So in order for you to enable the notifications, just simply click on edit over here. And as you can see, you'll be able to turn it off on your SMS, and you'll be able to turn it off into your email. So it will be depending on you. And as you can see, it will be just the same thing on the other category as well. Let's say we're going for chat messages, and click on edit over here. And from here, you'll be able to turn off the notification. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.